In today's video, you are going to hear the clunking noise that will come from the rear of a truck or a van if the track bar is broken. This is a track bar. I've replaced one before in a video made. I will put a link to that video down below here. If you watch that video, you may be inspired to take your vehicle to a mechanic and get this track bar replaced. It's a very simple device. It connects, as you can see, there's two bolts on either end and there's bushings in it. And it connects from the rear axle of a heavier vehicle, a van or a truck, and the other end of it goes to a body mount. And what happens is, because a truck or a van is quite heavy, when it goes down and the coil springs push the vehicle back up, this track bar will keep the rear of the vehicle stabilized. It'll go like this and keep the vehicle from bouncing too far up. So I'm going to put the camera in the rear of this van that has a broken track bar on it and let you listen to what it sounds like. Here is the track bar. I am underneath the vehicle. The back of the vehicle is that way. And if we follow this track bar over, we will see the problem. It has busted off. Here, there's the other end of that track bar, the bushing and the bolt that goes through it up there. That's where it's supposed to be, and it's broken off. If we go back over the other way, we'll see that the other side of the track bar is still connected. There's the bolt. Here is our new track bar. I paid $47.13, taxes included, in July of 2020 for this track bar. So if you have a clunking noise coming from the rear of your truck or van and the vehicle seems a little unstable, like the rear end of the vehicle is kind of all over the place, this could be your issue. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.